Now let's get into our halftime show, because this is something that you guys love every time. We love to share with you guys real before and afters of real outer customers. Now, today's feature that we're going to be featuring today is actually this woman named Julie. She watched our live stream last April, and we were revealing the aluminum collection, which she loved, and Sara Ann was on. If you guys have watched this every month, then you guys know Sara Ann. She's one of the designers at Outer Design Consult. And she actually wanted to have one with Sara Ann. So she went to the website, she requested a design consultation, and she requested Sara Ann, and I don't blame her, because Sara Ann is amazing. So they started the process, and this is what it looks like. What Julie did is she sent over these photos to Sara Ann. This is what her space looks like now. It's totally
just
raw.
Dirt.
You can tell it looks like she's planning something big, right? This is like a whole backyard reno. So here is the first image. Then she sent over this as a little progress shot. You can see it looks like they're gonna do an amazing pool situation. Oh my God, I can't wait to see what this looks like. Okay, and then the next photo, okay, I'm seeing a jacuzzi, an outdoor kitchen.
The kitchen looks like it's gonna be great.
I'm thinking a jacuzzi. Oh my gosh, this is so epic. Look at full construction. So what I love about this is that they actually got ahead of the game with Sara Ann and started figuring out what the outdoor setup was going to be while all of the construction was happening, so it could all happen together. These are the different designs that Sara Ann created. Now, for those of you that know Outer well, you know this, but the collection is fully modular. So what Sara Ann did is she took a certain amount of pieces that would work for how they were going to entertain, and she shared with Julie all of the different configurations that Julie could create with those same number of pieces. And you can see there's quite a lot of variety there. So let's take a look at how this actually came out. My goodness, I can't wait to see. Oh,
it looks like she did what, Plan C?
I think that's Plan C. What is that, maybe a six-piece
L?
L?
I think it's a 5-piece L.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And the love seat.
I think it's a six-piece L and a love seat. And you know what? What I think I thought was a jacuzzi, I think is like a wooden deck, like a platform for the sofa. Julie, I think that I know you're actually here watching with us. This is incredible. What you did is beautiful. I mean, my goodness.
It's beautiful. Julie, if you are on, I'd love to know how much time you're spending now in your backyard versus before. And I'm sure it's more because it was just dirt, but I'd love to hear from you.
You did a beautiful job. I gotta say, you increased the value of your house in an amazing way. So this is one thing that Terry always talks about, ROI and ROE. It's return on investment and return on experience. And I feel like you really knocked both of those out of the park.
You hit both of them,
exactly.
Enjoy.
So amazing.